A telescope imitates the eye. Passing through the lens in front of the eye, the light from an external object is brought to focus at the back, on the retina. The image then passes to the brain for processing. Opening like a flower, this is the primary mirror of an astronomical telescope. It collects light like the lens of an eye. The mirror is mounted at the base of the telescope, which is not a tube but a sturdy framework, precisely aligning the optics. The Keck telescope on Hawaii. Instead of a single disc of glass, the primary mirror is a mosaic of 32 mirrors, all hexagon-shaped. They combine to form a 10-meter mirror. But how does a telescope work? Light from the cosmos is collected by the primary mirror, bounced to a secondary mirror, then back through a hole in the primary mirror to a focal point at the rear. That's the prime focus. Prime focus is always fixed behind the primary mirror. But there's another focal position. It's where light bounces from the primary to the secondary mirror, then to a third, and a focal point at the side. It's called the Naismith focus, and it's employed here. It allows the use of bigger and heavier instruments without skewing the balance of the telescope. The focal point is like the retina, and where the images are processed and the telescope controlled is the brain. A large modern telescope like Keck moves on a simple and relatively lightweight mount. Its drive is computerized, complex and fast. But an old telescope like this has a simple drive and a massive mount. The Anglo-Australian is the same, a huge equatorial mount in a very large dome. This is the most robust equatorial mount ever built. The last of its kind, the 5-meter Hale sits in a dome of 1,000 tons on Mount Palomar, California. But Keck, with a smaller dome and a mirror twice the size, trimmed and lightened telescope design. The nearby Gemini pushed farther with a dome that opens right around. This speeds the equalization of air temperature inside and out. Such atmospheric stability is essential in the pinpoint observation of the heavens.